This video shows how to buy shares of Bridgford Foods Corp. Bridgford Foods is a food manufacturer of baked goods and prepared products, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BRID, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To purchase BRD, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BRID to find the stock. Select the Bridgford Foods Corp listing from the results to ensure you have the correct share. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name, industry, and ticker BRD to confirm it is the right asset. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next trading session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is placed. After confirmation, your Bridgford position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, a link to eToro is included in the video description.